The topic under discussion today is networks under attack. People that attack our networks are usually called hackers. Hackers may install malware into your system using the internet. There are three types of malwares. First up, viruses.
These are executable files that come with downloading email attachments, songs, and movies. The user mistakenly runs the file and the virus takes control of the user machine. From here, the virus tries to spread itself through the email contact lists, USB drives, and other portable media.
Second form of malware, worms.
The worm is known for its replication. It does not require any user interaction, as in the case of viruses. The worm enters a machine when the user uses some vulnerable network application. Once in the machine, it targets other users that are using the same application.
The final form of malware, Trojan.
Trojan horse may enter when user is using some application software. It hides inside the user machine and sends secret information like passwords, social security numbers to the attacker.
Another form of network attack is one in which users experience denial of service from their servers. There are three categories to denial of service attacks. Vulnerability attack, an attack which sends the perfect sequence of packets to your system, causing it to either stop or worse, crash down. Connection flooding. The user is flooded with bogus TCP connections and is unable to form a legitimate connection anywhere. Bandwidth flooding.
We'll take a closer look at the bandwidth flooding. The attacker intelligently sends packets at a rate nearly equal to the access rate of the server. Too high or too low a rate would not be effective. As all the requests are generated from a single source, the victim can easily detect the attack and block it. Therefore, the attacker acquires slaves and launches a distributed DOS attack.
Next, an attack which enables hackers to intercept and store user data.
Packet sniffing is another security threat. The attacker can use packet sniffing softwares to analyze the packets sent and received by a user machine. The attacker can even make copies and search the packets for passwords or other personal information.
Moving on, a form of attack in which hackers can forge fake identities of people a user can actually trust.
In IP spoofing, the attacker can disguise as someone you trust and ask for personal information. A good example is email. The user may receive an email by Hotmail asking you to fill out some form or else your membership will be cancelled. When the user enters or fills out the form, the hacker gains this personal information.
Final network attack technique gives hackers the flexibility to sniff packet data as well as subject it to altercation.
Man in the middle is another type of network attack. In this case, the attacker gains access to the communication path between the two users. In this example, you see that the attacker has gained access of the router. The attacker can modify or even delete the packets passing through the router.
Thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz.